Hi, welcome, bienvenidos. It's your girl Yessie, and I'm back with another video. For today's 12 days of tutorial, I'm going to be using a palette that I really love. And I love all my palettes, but I love this one in particular so much. It makes me so happy. And so the palette that I'm talking about is the Anastasia Beverly Hills times Jackie Aina. Yay! I really love this palette. If you haven't seen, this is what it looks like. Just look at the packaging. How pretty. And this is the color story right here. So today I'm going to be doing a look using these beautiful eyeshadows. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. Alrighty, amigas, besties. So truly excited to be playing with this eyeshadow palette. It's been a while. Alrighty, so why don't we just jump in. So I already did my eyebrows per usual. I used the Anastasia Brow Wiz and the Duo Powder, both in Ebony. And then I carved the bottom of my eyebrow and primed the lids with MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. And then of course I lightly set that with my translucent powder. So that's all I have going on. And now I'm gonna jump into the palette, and I kind of want to play with the pinks and the purple. So I'm gonna be grabbing a blending brush, and I'm gonna go into the color Supreme, which is this beautiful pink, and I'm going to apply it to the crease. So pigmented, so pretty, and so vibrant. Alrighty, so it should look something like this. Now I'm going to grab a JH33, so it's like a taper blending brush, and I'm gonna go into the shade Big Wig, which is this beautiful purple right here, and I'm going to apply it to the outer part of the lid. So like right here. Ooh, so pretty. So I'm first stamping the color, and then we'll blend it out afterwards. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna go into the blending brush, and I'm gonna use a little bit of pinker right here, and I'm gonna go and use this color Pinker to blend out that purple with the pink Supreme. So I'm just gonna use that color in this outer part right here, like so. Now I'm gonna go into the brush that we used, the purple, which is the JH33, and I'm just gonna, with whatever's left on the brush, I'm just gonna pat it over it just in case we lost some of that purple. So like so. Now I'm gonna add a glitter glue because I'm gonna go in with one of the shimmer shades, and I'm gonna be using the Pat McGrath Labs Intensify Artistry wand, and I'm gonna apply this to the empty part of the lid right here, and I'm gonna go into the shade, and for that I'm gonna be using the JH41, which is just a shader brush, and I'm gonna go into Soleil, so this shade right here, and I'm gonna apply it all over the lid. Not all over, but in this part of the lid. That color is so pretty. Look at that color, so pretty. Now I'm gonna go into the JH33, and whatever I have left with the purple, I'm just gonna go over it right here so it blends nicely into the shade Soleil. Actually, I'm gonna turn it over, and I'm gonna, actually no, I'm going to use the JH41, which was the shader brush, and I'm going to turn it over, and I'm going to go into the color Spookington, which is this beautiful shimmer purple. So I'm gonna use that purple to blend it out with the shade Soleil. So, ooh, so pretty. Wow, that's stunning. Wow, that is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oops. Wow, that's stunning. Now I'm going to go back in with the JH33 with that purple. And just apply a little bit more right here. Now I'm going to go in with my JH32 with that blending brush. And I'm just going to go over the whole entire crease. And I'm going to grab a little bit of the Pink Supreme. Just going to bring it up here. Because I still want that pop of pink. But look how pretty. Alrighty, so this is what the eyeshadow looks like. Now I'm going to jump off camera and I'm going to finish the complexion, you know, do a liner, lashes, and then I'll come back to share the final look. So stay tuned. And I'm back. So this is the final look. What do you guys think? Again, this is using the Anastasia Beverly Hills times Miss Jackie Aina eyeshadow palette. This is what her baby looks like. How pretty. But yeah, this is the look I was able to create using this palette. I just love it. It was very rich, very pigmented. They're so easy to blend. Nothing but good things to say. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed today's eye tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having a great day wherever you are. And as always, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.